Is the Computer Misuse Act, UK, different from us cyber laws? Imagine trying to understand the rules that keep our digital world safe. Laws in different countries shape how we fight cybercrime. Today, we'll look at how UK and US laws compare, especially around computer misuse. The UK's Computer Misuse Act was made in 1990. It mainly makes it illegal to access computer systems without permission or to do things that could harm them. It also covers making or sharing tools used for hacking. The law applies across England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Penalties can include fines or years in prison, depending on how serious the crime is. However, the law has been changed a few times to include more serious offenses like causing big damage or selling hacking tools. Still, some people say the language is a bit old-fashioned and doesn't fully match modern cybersecurity needs. For example, it doesn't clearly cover hacking for ethical reasons or threat intelligence activities. In the United States, the main law is called the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. It is broader and more detailed. It not only covers unauthorized access but also fraud and other cybercrimes. The law clearly states what counts as illegal, making it easier for authorities to act. The US Department of Justice gives guidance on what cybersecurity professionals can do legally, especially when gathering threat information or testing vulnerabilities. US laws are influenced by the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. This means law enforcement needs proper warrants before they can search or seize computers, adding extra safeguards. The UK law doesn't have as many procedural rules, which can make some cybersecurity activities riskier legally. For cybersecurity professionals and organizations, these differences matter. The UK's Computer Misuse Act can sometimes make it tricky to do proactive defense work or research unless you have explicit permission. Meanwhile, US laws tend to be clearer and more flexible, helping ethical hackers and security teams operate within the law. Both countries agree that severe cyber attacks should be met with strong responses, sometimes even treated like traditional military threats. But the way they write their laws and the protections they offer vary quite a bit. In short, the UK's Computer Misuse Act is narrower and a bit outdated compared to US cyber laws. The US has more detailed rules and procedural safeguards that help guide cybersecurity work. This impacts how companies and professionals handle cybersecurity, threat intelligence, and even artificial intelligence law in the digital space.